Hello everyone, welcome to the Learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript tutorial series. In this video, we will talk about CSS colors. For this video, we will use internal styling. So let's say we get a paragraph tag where we say this is a paragraph. I will close them. Now let's say this tag, a paragraph tag, and one style I'm inside here. You know, say the best way to another way to style them now to put say I want to select all the paragraph within the page, and I open curly braces and I'll say may I give a color, semicolon, so let me give a red. I'll save now and refresh the page. So now this is the paragraph tag. We give the color, maybe red. Now another type of color we if you give now what they call background color. Let's say we give the background color to green. I go save now and I go reload. You see say the background color change to green. Now if you still do many other things, there are many type of color. If you still give border color, all these many other colors. But the main thing for this video we want to discuss is now how to select these colors, how to pick these colors. Now there are various different types of colors where if you use. We will pick one after the other. One of them now the RGB color, RGB. Now red, combination of red, green, and blue. Every color where you know, whether black, green, yellow, all of them, they either this color or a combination of all three of them. Another way to represent color for CSS, now what they call hexadecimal color. So short form for hex. So that one, the syntax now hash, then any number, any value you want put, but the value go be 6. I go save now, I go reload. You see the color we will give them. So this RGB will give you many ways to select various colors. Another one we will cover for this video now, HSL color types. They call a hue, saturation, and the L na lightness. Okay, so make we play around these colors now. We'll see how it be. So we'll start with RGB. We'll cover RGB. Now the syntax for RGB now. I select any number. Now the first value for red. I put comma. If I select any number again, now the value of green. Put comma. If I select any number now the value of blue. I go save now. Make I reload them. We'll see. So RGB 000 na black. RGB 255 255. If I save them now white. You see say you no show for the page, but the paragraph see there. So if I miss the same number of red, the same number of green, the same number of blue, the maximum number, which is, you know, I tell you say the number now from 0, you go select any number between 0 to 255. If I mix, say make red be 255, green 255, blue 255, it go give me color white. So make I say make red be 90, make green be 252, and make blue be 3. So if I want to give background color, I fit still give am this RGB value. Make I remove this one. Make I save. Make we reload. So basically, instead of to say make we dey give our color red, or we give am yellow, or we give am blue, or we give am all these colors, you fit still specify am by giving it the RGB color. I go show you a better way of selecting these colors at the end of this video, so just stick around. Now another type of color na the hexadecimal color. You know, say we don talk say we go cover, there are many more. We will cover RGB, hexadecimal, and HSL, wey be hue, saturation, and lightness. Now, we'll go to the hexadecimal color. So to give hexadecimal color, now like you give hash. Let's say, let's see whether this color go work. 52GH25. Now the values must be 6. If I refresh, this is not a valid color. Now why you not show? But let me get a valid color. So we go use. So if I save now, we don't give them a color of hash 1754B0. If I save now and reload, see the color of this hexadecimal value. So the value is now hash, then it will be 6 variables. That's hexadecimal color. Now maybe we'll talk about HSL. You know, so we talk say HSL stands for hue, saturation, lightness. The hue na the degree of the color. That means, you know, say every circle na 360 degrees. So the hue na the degree of the color. The saturation na the shade of gray we go there on top that degree of the color. Then the lightness na the percentage of the darkness, lightness we go there on the color. So may we look for a valid HSL color used for this tutorial. Give a background color to use HSL color. The syntax na just like RGB, where you go write RGB, you can't put semicolon, can't give all the colors like this. Let's say the 3 colors now, you want maybe black, be 000. For HSL, now still the same syntax. You go put HSL, you go open brackets, then put the color inside. Put the color inside, you save. You go put the value of in degrees, the value, the percentage of the saturation, and the percentage of the lightness. If I save now and reload, you see the color we'll get. More recap. For this video, we talk about RGB colors. We talk about hexadecimal colors, HEX colors, and we talk about HSL colors. Now, make I show you a better way of getting these colors. If you go on your Google tab, just search for color picker. The first screen where you go see go even give you full details of what you define. So you see all these colors where they here. With all these colors, with only this red, I fit generate 1 million type of colors inside this red. You see, as I dey change where this cursor dey, It dey show me the shade of red what I want, and it dey show me the hexadecimal value for that color. It dey show me the RGB value for that color. It dey also show me the HSL value for that color. Remember I tell you say we still get various types. We get the one they call CMYK and we get HSV. You fit do your research on this one, but basically this na how to pick colors. So let's say I want a color wey be like gold. If I push and come this gold section, then I carry and say I need gold wey dey very sharp. I'll pick and come here. I think I like this gold. Then this color wey dey here, now I select this thing for here. Now the RGB color be this. Now the hexadecimal color be this. Now the RGB color code be this. And now the HSL color code, HSV and other color codes. So we could try this one out, may see. We will copy the hex code. Go our page. So we want to give the background color with this gold. I go save. Come to our tab and I go reload. You see am. We will copy the RGB code. So may see say na the same thing. It be. So we give am RGB, open bracket. Then inside that bracket, we go put our values inside. I go save. Come back here and I go reload. You see the color no change because now the same color we pick here. So let's say I want a shade of pink, a shade of blue. So I want this very thick blue. I need a light blue, or I need a pale blue, I need navy blue. So all this, if you notice as they change, the hexadecimal color and all the other respective colors they change. So thank you guys. We don't talk about colors. So if you come here, just Google color picker. Go on your Google tab, Google color picker. So you go begin play around with all these color pickers. So you go understand how then they work. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification. Thank you guys.